My name is Tonya. I live in Wurtsboro, New York, and I've lived here for about 9 years now. My dad was having some work done on his house, and his floor contractor referred him to Foamco. He actually got his house done first. Well, my dad had a great job done, so I definitely took his referral. Well, it was always off in temperature in here. Very uncomfortable. Anytime it got just a little chilly out here, it was super cold inside. So we knew something was wrong for a long time. Our heating costs would always be up. We had space heaters out, even when the thermostat was on. Well, I was there for my dad's house to get done, and they were so quick, so efficient, that I was kind of excited to have my house done after. And then they told me how to prep, what to expect, when I would have to leave the home, because you have like 24 hours for the phone to cure. So you'd have to leave the home. So all of those arrangements were done. So it was great prep, and I knew what to expect. So they did a great job on that. And then the next day when I came in, I felt it immediately, an immediate change in temperature. The home overall has been comfortable and temp. I've had the most propane for this season ever in all the years that I've been here. So this is definitely going to cut down on fuel costs and, of course, energy costs, because my furnace runs off of electricity. Very confident this was a great investment. I would say that communication has been great with the company. If I had a question, they would respond quickly. Also, there were a couple of questions that I had that they didn't have the answer to on spot, but they did get it for me, so that was great. Well, I've actually spoken to a few neighbors explaining the service and the difference that it's made for my home and my dad's home, and a few neighbors are actually considering having it done at their home as well. So I think having someone who has the experience with everything makes it a little easier to know what to expect for the next person. So I think that was great.